Hi, good morning. Hi, sir. Wait lang, sir. Okay, good morning. This is Vin and welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Alright? So, ito. We're here inside Greenwoods Executive Village. So, nakita nyo na. We have yung ating carport. Good for 2 vehicle. Then, ito yung ating main entrance. Okay. So, ito, naka-interior design na po. So, upon entry, meron kayo ditong powder room. Right? Then, we have here your living, dining, and kitchen area. Okay. So, yun yung ceiling. Meron kayong full mirror dito. Yan. Dito sa aking right side. Right? Meron kayong sliding door, glass sliding door dito. Nandun yung setback po, no? Right? Nakita ko lang. Then, dito sa tabi ng kitchen, meron po kayong pwedeng mid quarter. May kasama po kayong kasambahay. Okay? Or, pwede rin po sa senior. Kasi nandito po tayo sa ground floor. And may kasama na po itong toilet and bath. Okay? And meron siyang provision for split type aircon. Right? So, punta tayo dito. So, meron kayong service area dito. Ayan, may mga faucet na rin. Okay? May range hood na rin nakasama dito sa ating kitchen area. Okay? Alright, so yung lot area natin is 120 square meter. Okay? Floor area is around 190 square meter, more or less po. Let's say 200 square meter, more or less. No? So, proceed tayo din sa ating second floor. Okay. So, dito sa second floor, meron tayong 3 bedrooms, including yung ating master bedroom. And lahat po ng kwarto is meron po kanya-kanyang private bathroom. Alright? So, pakita ko lang. Okay. So, dito tayo sa ating first bedroom. So, ito yung space for master bedroom. May kasamang built-in cabinets. Then, ito yung kanyang toilet and bath. Our second bedroom. Mas malaki po siya kaysa doon sa first bedroom natin. Okay? Dito sa second floor. So, ito yung cabinet. Then, yung kanyang full toilet and bath. Ito yung ating master's bedroom. Okay? So, ito yung space for the master bedroom. Merong balcony. Ito muna ako sa gilid para makita nyo. Right? Then, meron siyang walk-in closet and toilet and bath. Okay? Yan. Then, meron po kayong bathtub dito sa inyong master bathroom. Okay? Alright, so again, nandito tayo sa Greenwoods Executive Village. Okay, so ayun yung community. Recommended po ito for families or individuals if you are working or may business kayo sa BGC, yan, Mang Ortigas, Makati, even Libis, Chendesitas, ayan. Highly recommended po. And actually, yung kausap ko kanina sa labas, si Sir, yung nasa tapat ng bahay, tinanong ko na siya regarding sa baha. Sabi niya sa akin, kahit nung karina, hindi sila binaha dito. Okay? So, good spot ito, kung ako tatanungin, di sa Greenwoods. Good spot siya, safe yung property nyo. Alright? So, message lang, if interested, kung gusto yung i-view yung property, or to reserve the property. Number namin is 0928-485-1156 or 0907-022-3423. That's all. Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.